For landscape photography, image quality is paramount. While autofocus speed is essential for wildlife shots, landscape photographers benefit most from a camera with a high megapixel count and superior dynamic range. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for landscape photography you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Nikon D850 stands as a powerhouse DSLR, particularly ideal for landscape photographers. Its full-frame 45.7 megapixel sensor captures outstanding detail and dynamic range, making it a top choice for those who demand excellent image quality. Unlike many mirrorless models, the D850's robust build is well-suited to handle large, heavy pro lenses, giving users enhanced stability and grip in various shooting conditions. One of the standout features of the D850 is its optical pentaprism viewfinder. This clear, bright optical viewfinder allows landscape photographers to immerse themselves in the scene without relying on digital screens, which can feel less organic. Additionally, the camera's 3.2-inch tilting LCD offers flexibility when composing shots from challenging angles. The D850's impressive 7 frames per second continuous shooting speed, combined with its ultra-durable battery, lasting up to 1,840 shots per charge, outshines many mirrorless competitors in endurance and speed. This allows photographers to capture scenes over extended periods without constant battery swaps. With 4K UHD video capabilities, the D850 offers not only exceptional stills but also high-resolution video for those looking to capture landscapes in motion. The Fujifilm XT5 is a powerhouse for landscape photography, balancing top-tier imaging capabilities with a compact, travel-ready design. Its advanced 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5 HR CMOS sensor captures stunningly sharp, high-resolution images with a native ISO range, now starting at ISO 125 for refined detail in all lighting conditions. Iconic to the X series, the XT5's intuitive dials allow quick adjustments to ISO, shutter speed, and exposure, even when powered off. The XT5's mechanical shutter reaches speeds up to 1/8,000th of a second, while the electronic shutter tops out at a remarkable 1/180,000th of a second. Burst shooting is a breeze, with up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and 20 FPS electronically. For extended shoots, its NPW2 35 battery delivers up to 680 shots per charge, while the robust mechanical shutter promises 500,000 actuation. Low-light shots are stabilized by its in-body image stabilization system, providing up to 7 stops of compensation. The 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder offers 0.8 times magnification and a 100 frames per second refresh rate for near blackout-free shooting. Additionally, the pixel shift multi-shot mode can create a stunning 160 megapixel image, ideal for detailed landscapes or digital archiving. The XT5 delivers unparalleled quality, flexibility, and durability for landscape photographers. The Nikon Z7 Mark II is a top choice for landscape photographers, blending power and portability in a sleek, mirrorless design. With its impressive 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, it captures detailed, vibrant landscapes, rivaling Nikon's heavyweight DSLR, the D850, but in a lighter package. This camera is engineered for pros and serious enthusiasts who value high-resolution stills with precise color reproduction and dynamic range. Its 493-point hybrid autofocus system is tailored to the needs of landscape photography, offering fast and reliable focusing, even in low light, while providing smooth, adaptable control. Although competitors like the Canon EOS R5 and Sony Alpha A7R4 offer slightly higher resolution electronic viewfinders. The Z7 Mark II's viewfinder is sharp and clear, making composition easy and immersive. Nikon's expanding Z-mount lens selection ensures versatility, with the FT-Z2 adapter allowing seamless use of Nikon's f-mount lenses, adding extensive options. This camera also supports 4K video at up to 10 frames per second, catering to users who occasionally capture video. For landscape photographers looking for exceptional value, the Nikon Z7 Mark II offers a balanced mix of quality, versatility, and performance without the premium price tag of newer Nikon models like the Z8 or Z9. The Fujifilm GFX50S Mark II redefines medium format photography, combining quality with affordability and portability. Featuring a 51.4 megapixel medium format sensor that's 70% larger than standard full-frame sensors, it offers incredible image clarity and dynamic range. This mirrorless camera's sensor captures fine details with impressive color depth, making it ideal for landscapes and high-resolution images where quality is paramount. Unlike traditional medium-format cameras, the GFX50S Mark II is lightweight and compact, making it accessible for outdoor and on-the-go shooting. Its 425-point contrast detection autofocus system enhances precision, ensuring that even complex scenes are captured in sharp focus. The 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen with 2,360,000 dots is a treat, providing clear and intuitive image previews, while the camera's 3 frames per second burst speed enables you to capture fleeting moments in stunning quality. While it doesn't match the 100 megapixel resolution of higher-end GFX models like the GFX 100S, this model remains a compelling choice for photographers who need medium format quality without breaking the bank. The GFX 50S Mark II is an outstanding choice for landscape photographers and enthusiasts who value quality, detail, and ease of use. Fujifilm's innovation truly brings medium format within reach. The Sony Alpha 7 IV raises the bar in landscape photography with its advanced 33-megapixel full-frame Exmor-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor. Engineered to capture every detail with precision, this camera's sensor optimally balances light and detail in all environments, from dim, moody scenes to bright landscapes. Its powerhouse Bion's XR image processing engine, 8 times more powerful than its predecessor, delivers speedy, noise-free imaging that enhances color accuracy and clarity. For videographers, the Alpha 7 IV impresses with up to 4K 60p 10-bit 4x2x2 recording using full pixel readout across all formats, ensuring sharp, true-to-life footage without pixel binning. Oversampling 7K down to 4K in 30p mode also provides exceptional depth and resolution, ideal for immersive visuals in landscapes. The S-Cinetone color profile adds cinematic tones, ensuring a rich and vibrant color expression that resonates in every shot. Built to endure varied climates, it operates reliably from 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a rugged companion for fieldwork. A 100 to 240 volt input range further adds versatility, allowing photographers to plug in and recharge wherever they travel. With intuitive features and robust performance, the Sony Alpha 7 IV embodies the ultimate tool for capturing nature's grandeur in its purest form. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.